Mary, the car is making a strange noise.
Really? What kind of noise?
I don't know. It sounds bad.
Stop the car, John. Stop now.
Okay, I'm stopping.
Look at the tyre. It's flat.
Oh no, the tyre is flat.
Do we have a spare tyre?
Yes, we do. It's in the trunk.
Good. Do you know how to change it?
I think so. Can you help me?
Of course. Let's open the trunk.
Here is the spare tyre.
And here is the jack.
Okay, I will lift the car now.
Be careful, John.
Don't worry, I'm careful. Now take off the flat tyre.
This is hard work. You're doing great. Keep going.
Done. Now I put the new tyre on.
Perfect. Tighten the bolts well.
All done. The tyre is fixed.
Great job, John. Now we can go.
Next time, I will check the tyres before we leave.
That's a good idea.